Hi everyone, welcome to my YouTube channel. Hope you are doing well. Subscribe my channel, like, comment and share my video with your family and friends. Summer are a wonderful time to explore many different kind of all nail art designs, shapes and colors. Summer nail design give you the opportunity to try bright color and refreshing ideas. Included here is a scroll through gallery of 101 summer nail designs for 2023. One of the classic color to explore in the summer weather is yellow. But instead of painting all your nails in the same color, you can opt to experiment with the middle two nails so as to lend a stable uniqueness to these short summer nails. The cute unfinished floral further grab the attention and honor the beauty of blooming flowers of the season. And pink summer nail design, but with a burst of neon and other design. There the checked pattern, beautiful heart flower in different shapes and hearts going in the concentric pattern. Subscribe my channel, like, comment and share my video with your family and friends. This bright style goes well with the bold colors and will look amazing on a sunny day on a beach. For an understand vibe, French summer nails are always in trend, though you can add some twist to the classic nail art by adding some patchwork to it so they look like they are done for this season without compromising your simple and elegant style. The shape is also square, which is a time honored cut for a French nails. Here is another elegant, minimal, and unique summer nails 2023 designs done in a clear gloss finish on a nude pink base. The style consists of pot of butterflies done on every nail for a quickly and eye-catching effect. Subscribe my channel, like, comment and share my video with your family and friends. And thanks for watching my video.